Hello guys, my name is Aladdin Omar. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your portrait using Dodge and Burn, and also we're going to be removing blemishes and adjusting the hair. During the shoot, I didn't really notice the model's wig, but hopefully we get to fix it in Photoshop. This is one of the easiest way of editing your portrait, be it beauty portrait or any kind of portrait. And we're going to be using Dodge and Burn, removing the blemishes and adjusting anything that we need to adjust. Let's dive into Photoshop. And yeah, this is the image. You can take off the blemishes and also the hair, the flying hairs. And we're gonna be using the frequency separation technique to edit this image, Dodge and Burn. We're gonna touch up the makeup, and also let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a detailed frequency separation tutorial for you guys. So just let me know in the comment section. So right now I'm gonna try to adjust the hair so that it's gonna overlap the part that needs to be covered with the hair and all that. Try to straighten the hair a little bit and all that. To straighten it a little bit, I'm just gonna be using the liquify tool, and I'm just gonna use the tool, the brush tool, to cover the part I don't want any effects on, and I'm gonna try and straighten the hair to make it look more decent. I'm using the curve. I'm going to highlight her eyes because I want the eyes to be sharp so that when you look at the portrait, I'm going to touch up the makeup, pop the makeup up, and then I'm going to let's add a curve layer. I'm going to add a curve layer, and you can crank it where you want it to be. So this is another way of double click and go to the blending option. Then what you need to do, and what you're gonna do, is alternate and right click on the underlaying layer. I just want a smooth transition between the black and the white, right? So now what I want to do is invert the layer, right? Invert the layer, and I'm going to use the brush. I'm going to tune the brush to 30, the opacity to 30, and I'm going to highlight where I want it. And I'm gonna highlight where I want to tune up the image. Right now I'm gonna work on the lipstick to tune it up also, and darken the edges. You can see the edges has a darker spot, so I'm gonna darken it a little bit and put some and tune up the lipstick. So now I'm doing Dodge and Burn. I'm gonna and right now I'm gonna tune up. So right now I'm gonna darken some part, and now you can see the background. I had to light up the background to brighten the background, and it's that simple. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and like this video to support me. Thank you.